Hello traders, today I'm going to be reviewing one of the best prop firms in the industry. My name is Clifford Mlauzi. I'm a prop trader and I've been funded with Fxify for the past 2 months. And today I'm going to be giving you my honest review after being with this prop firm for this period. Stick with me, watch this video to the end and like this video and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think in the comment section. So let's get started. This is their website. The website looks pretty good. You can see that you can get funded up to 400,000, which is nice. First, withdraw on demand. Guys, what I like about this prop firm is that once you get funded, if you take your first trade and close in profit, you're going to be able to withdraw that money and you're going to get your leave fund right away. Guys, this prop firm is one of the best. I really enjoyed this prop firm because the minute I made my first profit, I withdrew right away and I got my money right away. This is amazing, guys, and I love this prop firm. So let's see. And then up to 90% profit spread, which is amazing. EAs are allowed and is backed by, I think the broker is FX Peak, one of the best brokers, and payouts are bi-weekly and there are no consistency rules, you know. This prop firm, guys, and I really like it. It has been around for the past 7 months and I'm just good at everything. So let me show you their phases. They have a one phase challenges a little bit. I find it a little bit hard. But if you guys it would suit your trading style. But I always recommend it's actually good because it's much flexible. I passed my challenge and it was actually just pretty good and I enjoyed everything. Want to go with this prop firm, go for the 2-phase. It's much flexible and it's good. So from 15K, don't worry about prices, guys. That's their smallest, and the biggest is 50K, 15K. 15K is actually good. And the first target, when you're on your first phase, you only need to make 10%, which is 1.5. You can do it. I was able to do it, and you can do it. Okay. So the second phase, you only need to make 5. You know, so I was able to do for 10% and I was able to do 5%, which is doing. So next thing is daily drawdown. You already know what this daily drawdown in detail. So daily loss limits is 5%. It's reasonable, you know, like it's standard, industry standard. And max drawers would just lose the whole 10%. You know, draw static. They mean that if drawdown is and it's calculated from the initial round 1.5, which means it's gonna be 1.5, and minimum trading days, you're supposed to trade for at least 5 days. You can trade for at least 5 days, then you're going to be eligible to remove it. I don't think you guys are going to be in such a rush to pass your challenges in 2 days or 3 days. If that's going to trade for 5 days, which is also good. Okay. So minimum trading days is to add so that you can have you have 60 days. But in my opinion, guys, I feel like good to get the unlimited. Okay. But if you're an established trader and there's no need to get the unlimited because like in my case, in like 11 days, 12 days, you know, but I need so many days to pass a challenge, you know. And then the same as the needs unlimited, like 60 days. Right now, I would ask you guys to take the unlimited because it's much flexible. And profit is bad when you're just starting out, like on your first payout, you're going to get up to, recommend you guys do it. And then they have leverage up to 50%, up to 51 to 50 about this leverage stuff. But let me tell you guys, just get good. Find a nice pay, the leverage whatsoever, and then blah, blah, blah. It's just good. Refundable fee. Yeah, once you pass the challenge, you're going to get your refund. And so let's talk about how much does it is. You need to pay $99 to get 15. And then if you want 100K and for the 400, amazing thing about this prop firm, guys, is that, this prop firm, only about that is that if you guys are going to sign up with this prop, you're going to get 10% discount. So what's going to happen is that discount. And when you use their discount codes that when you get their discount offer, you're going to add like if their discount offer is 15%. So what if you have like 25% discount, which is amazing, which is good. The discount codes whatsoever discount on all these challenges. Okay, so that's about this prop firm. And now we're going to the list. You can check it out. Payout on demand. Payout on demand. Once you make profit, you can withdraw right away. Okay, and they don't care about the rules or whatsoever. What they just want you is to make sure that you're able to make money. You don't violate any of the daily limits or whatsoever. I have a leaderboard, and the leaderboard is much good. And their social trading copy their social copy is coming very soon. You can copy from successive traders, and yeah, they're also introducing a prepaid card. Whenever you have money, it's gonna be sent to your prepaid card, and you can use it to purchase things on the internet, which is much good. Okay, my account. Okay, so this was my 15K and my first phase account when I started this like some time ago. And let's just go on the dashboard. I want to show you what I did to pass, guys. If I did it, you can do it. Okay, all right, so this was my first phase, and you can see I was supposed to make 10%. So yeah, I managed to make 10%. You can see the dashboard is really good. When you look at it, it's amazing. And yeah, this was my equity 10%. it was pretty much interesting. I finished my 10 days, and when it comes here, the total volume that I traded, the total lots I traded 26.15, and my average load was 0.33. My biggest gain was, this is the time that I passed, right? I made I made this amount, like 1.2 US, 1,200 in a single trade, and I was able to pass my trade. And this was my biggest trade, close to like um somewhere around 3.2%. I mean 2.3%. And my average gain was this one, which is 1.3%. And this was my average loss, which is less than 1%. It was pretty crazy because when I started, I went in drawdown, and I've been like in drawdown for like 1 or 2 weeks. It was bad, guys. It was bad. And then you can see I was in drawdown, and then I came up, and then I went down, and then I came up, and then I went down, and then I came up. I went down, came up, went down, came up, went down, just like that, and then boom, I passed. Loaded fast. Okay, so this one was my second phase. I was supposed to make 5%, and yeah, I really did bam, and pretty good. Okay, and traded for 5 days, the most traded pair. My biggest gain was 500. My bigger average loss was 800, the same as first time. Winning late, 32, most traded pair, Dow Jones. So this one was pretty crazy. You can see I also went in drawdown, and then came up, and then went in massive drawdown, and then started coming back. So it only took me like few trials, few trades to actually get to this point. It's actually like one day I took a trade from drawdown to here, the same day. I mean, the next day from there to there, and then I was able like to pass the challenge in that space. Okay, so which was quite amazing. The most traded pair was Dow Jones. I love trading USD, guys. Talk about my certificate with Fxify, guys. This is amazing, guys. Look at what I have. Okay, so this is my certificate. Clifford Mlauzi, this trader has, okay, let's come here. Okay, let's come here. This trader has successfully passed Fxify evaluation. This accomplishment reflects that the trader has passed all of the trading objectives within the required trading period. Passing the challenge shows that the trader has demonstrated strict discipline in risk management and following a profitable trading strategy. All right, which is amazing. And this was from them, and this is right away. This is the certificate. And after I've gotten this one, like the next day, you can see the dates, guys. This day I got this. Oh wait. Yeah, it was on 30th, and then the next day on Monday, or on the 1st, the next day on 1st, I was able to get my payout. As I've already told you guys, the payout is on demand right away. Once you make profit, you're gonna be able to withdraw. And then the crazy thing about this, I made over like $600. But then the thing is, I had like calculated myself the way they presented my profit was that I wasn't sure whether my 75% was already cut out or not. So I actually just did 75% of what I made. So this is like 75% of what I made, and then I was able to withdraw. I didn't know that I was supposed to withdraw it all, and they were going to take the 75% on the back end. So that was my mistake. I had like to leave some profits behind. So this was my first profit, and I didn't really care about that because, guys, this is more than what I had put. I only spent less money to purchase the account, and I got this plus my 125% refund, which is amazing, guys, which is exciting. So yeah, this is what has actually happened. And so far I haven't yet gotten my second payout. I was in a drawdown recently, and I wasn't able to make a payout, and I'm still trying my best to get out of the drawdown and then be able to make the next payout. But I would recommend you guys to trade with this prop firm. To trade with this prop firm. This prop firm is actually nice. Now let's talk about the discount, let's talk about the discount. So they have a 60% discount. Yeah, they have a 60% discount on their 15K. So the best thing you guys need to do is that once you sign up with them using my link, you already have like 10%, and they are also offering many crazy discounts. Like they're offering 60% discount, so you can actually add this and get a 50% discount. And then they have a code for the 60%. So when you sign up, when you use my link, you don't need the code, you just use the link, and then they already have a code for 60%, and then you'll be able like to get 60% discount, and you'll be able to purchase the 15K, which is actually good. Like I've never seen a perfume so cheaper like this. This is so cheaper and the cheapest. And the fun thing about it, you don't have to use crypto to buy. You can use PayPal. You can use your MasterCard, your Visa card, which is amazing. You see, and join their Discord. You need to join their Discord. Oh, for the other accounts, when you use the you already have the 10% discount, and they also have like 20% discount and the 25%. So the 20% is for like all the accounts, but the 25 is only for 25. Like just join their Discord. Once you join their Discord, when you join their Discord, you'll be able to see all the discounts that these guys are offering. They have a very amazing community in the Discord, and their customer service is actually good. They always reply right away. Any problem that you have, just reach out to them, and they always say something, or they always help you. And I recommend them. And guys, I enjoy this perfume, and I'm also thinking of purchasing very big accounts. Oh, let me just also show you, like, take you where you can buy your account. Let's start a new challenge. When you come here, all right, so this is what is going to happen. When you come here, I'm recommending guys to go with the 2-phase. Just tap on the 2-phase, and next, let's say you want the 100K. I mean the 50K, 15K, which is 99. So you can see that's the price, 99. And then you come down here. I recommend I use MT5, so it will depend on what MetaTrader you use. So I recommend you guys to use low spreads if you're active traders, not swing traders. And when it comes to here, it's up to you guys. You can choose whatever. If you want unlimited days, you can add the 5%. It's gonna be added on your whatever. But in my case, I usually add the 5% for biweekly payouts, and down here, this is actually like the total price of the thing. So let me show you. When you use the code social 15K, right, you'll be able to get a nice discount. You see, so this is actually like a crazy discount that you guys are gonna be able, which is 62%. I mean, this is $62. And plus, when you use my link, this this is going to go down to 52, right? It's gonna be like close to 52, which is much cheaper, and you can actually purchase this using. Let's go ahead. All right, so this is your order, and you're purchasing a $62 account, and yeah, you can use your Visa card, you can use PayPal, you can pay through. This is where you come and to pay for order. All right, guys, so it's pretty much amazing. I think I've talked about almost everything about this perfume, and it's actually like one of the best, guys. And I was trying to differentiate this perfume with FTMO. I just feel like this is the new FTMO. This is just like a very another version of FTMO, which is an amazing perfume, and I recommend you guys go with them. There's a lot of headache when it comes to choosing a perfume, but this one is actually good, guys. Go with them. Otherwise, there's a link down in the description. Use it, and yeah, get the discount, guys. Get the discount. I remember when I was also signing up, I also used somebody's discount. It saved me money that I was able to use the other money to buy bundles to trade. So do the same. Otherwise, guys, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more content, for more payouts. I want to show you like my journey as a funded trader. And yeah, guys, let's make it happen. All the best on your purchasing the account, and yeah, bye.